Hey guys, Red here down in Birmingham. What's going on? At a client's property down here, and this is a much happier video that I'm doing today than the last time I was at this property. If you guys can remember, a couple weeks ago, I posted a video at a property that I used to own. I sold it. The new owner let it go totally down the drain, and I'm so happy that one of my clients now purchased it, and we are bringing this thing back to life, okay? So if you guys recall from that other video, the windows on the outside were just disgusting. They were falling apart, they were rotted. So we are about, I would say, 85% of the way done with our rehab here, maybe 90%. So still need to do some trim work, but all new windows, guys, installed here. All new frames. We got to finish up. We got to just kind of finish up some of the tight work and the trim work. We'll repaint the exterior of all this window, but it's been completely reframed, brand new window. Okay. We did the same thing over here with this window. If you guys will recall, it was the same. We had a lot of rot on the bottom, on the frame as well, and the windows were cracked, busted. So really happy with how this came out. And of course, we still have trim work to go, but like I said, we're about 85–90% of the way through this thing. Okay, let's head on inside. So right away, guys, the first thing that I want to talk about is the carpet. It's beautiful, it looks fantastic, it feels really good. And what we're seeing right now is our units that have carpet in them are flying off the market 2 to 3 times faster than units that don't have carpet. And that's because there are so many people on housing vouchers that have children, and carpet is much more sought after by a lot of these families because kids like carpet a lot more. Now, a lot of you will say, well, carpet, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. It's terrible. It lasts 2 years, 3 years. Trust me, I hear it all the time in the comments. But when you have tenants that are in their units for, on average, between 10 and 15 years, you don't have to replace it every 2 years. You don't have to do it, okay? A lot of times, if you do, you shampoo the carpets. You don't have to rip them up and replace them. Now, of course, we want to do things the right way. If you do have significant turnover, then carpet can really hurt your bottom line because you're constantly ripping it up, put new carpet, ripping it up, put new carpet. But when you have tenants in a unit for 10 to 15 years, which is the average time that we have Section 8 tenants in our units, that is a non-factor. So we get in cheap, they stay in long, okay? And they get in so quick. Everybody wants it, everybody loves it. It's super nice, okay? So if you guys recall, this unit was in really bad shape. We've painted the whole unit. Like I said, there's no faceplates on any of the outlets. We still need to go through and really touch this place up. But we pulled all the doors. It's got all new doors. It's got all new paint. It's got all new flooring. It's got new windows. We've had a plumber come in here and redo the plumbing. We had an electrician come in here and redo a majority of the electrical work. So we're really happy with where we're at. Now, just kind of a difference in walking through, guys. Let's walk through just so you can see some of the things the changes that are made. It's just so much warmer in here as well. So it's just a better place to live. It's comfortable, it's clean. All new doors, new closet doors, new doors to the rooms, all new hardware. It's just so much nicer. And now when somebody walks in, boom, you're hit with that new carpet smell. It's clean. We choose carpet that doesn't show dirt. That's why the colors are the way that they are. That's why the wall colors are the way they are. That is why the floor colors are the way they are. We want these things to stay clean. We don't want them to look bad. We don't want them to look ugly. We want them to look good, okay? So coming through here, guys, we have bedroom number 2. New door here as well. We ordered the closet door for here. That's coming in the next day or so. There's only 2 doors that we don't have yet, but again, you know, really, really good. Nice new doors. It's super comfortable. It's cozy. There aren't many people that would walk in here and not want to rent this place. I would rent this place right now. I love it in here. It's making me happy because we're starting to bring this place back to life, back to what it was before. All right. Now, keep in mind, guys, that we'll have full cleaners come in here. They'll make these floors spotless. They'll clean the floors. We're going to need a strip right here to cover that up as well. But you come in here. Again, brand new carpet, brand new closet door, brand new bedroom door, all new paint. It's just really, really nice. And it makes me happy because the last time I was here, I was very unhappy. Bathroom, all this will be taken care of as well. All this will be cleaned up and made really, really tight. All the plumbing's done. Brand new door here as well. In here, guys, this is the only door that the second door, we have two doors that we had to order because they were out. So this door will be replaced as well. We had a plumber come in here and redo the plumbing. If you guys remember the last time we were in here, the plumbing was a little messed up. So we took care of that as well. Okay. New closet doors here as well. So we'll kind of come through and hit this place with some touch up and be really, really close to being done with it. Coming into the kitchen, we had our plumber move some pipes around. Originally, that's what we did. For some reason, the old owner removed pipes. We moved them back to make this kitchen more functional again. And everything's working in here. Everything looks really, really good. We still need to buy a refrigerator for the unit. And of course, the last thing we'll do once we are ready, if you guys actually turn around, you see all these doors from inside the unit, a lot of these old doors. And we'll get rid of all these. Still have some new frames that need to go up in some of those other rooms. So what we'll do is we'll throw all this stuff away, and then once we're good and we're done, we'll have our cleaners come in here and just clean this whole thing and make it really, really nice. We've already gotten about 6 calls from tenants about renting this thing. So guys, what I'm thinking about this unit is I'm thinking that it's gonna rent somewhere between $1,100 and $1,300 is what I'm thinking. We're getting phone calls literally every day, people lining up who want to rent it. I'm really, really happy with it so far, and once this thing's done in a couple of days, I'm just, I'm happy that it's been brought to life and that it's going to provide somebody with a really nice place to live. The net on this from a cash flow standpoint is going to be somewhere between $450 and $600 a month, which is going to be pretty phenomenal. And of course, I'm really, really happy for my client, Mech. Super happy for you, man. Mech is a mogul in the making. This is his second property. His first one just got rented. This is his second property. He has another one he just closed on that we're going to be starting rehab on shortly as well. So he's going to be going from about a month ago, 0 properties to 3 in an extremely short amount of time, and somewhere between, I would say, $3,000 and $3,500 in gross rent per month. So Mac, super happy for you as well. And guys, this is attainable. This is an option. This is something that we can do for you and get up and running and really, really put into the works. So if you're at home and you're wondering what to do next, and get this thing going and get off your butts and really get this thing started, shoot me an email in the description below and we'll get you up and rocking. Guys, as always, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and we'll see you next time.